Hello again. Welcome to a SchoolLMS demonstration video. In this video, I'm actually going to start showing you how to load your class list. In this case, what happens generally, a teacher needs to have a class list to mark the attendance register of their class. Because as the schools generally use a school administration system like SASAMS and many other products out there, they just only collect the attendance to the school. So what I'm going to show you now is actually a value-adding solution that actually enables keeping track of attendance of classes, meaning subjects. So how that works, this is where it starts. The teacher, say I'm in period 3, I'm about to teach for this day, which is day 5. The teacher just clicks that and goes to class list, which is at the top. It's at the top because that's what the teacher actually does first before they teach. They mark the register. So when I click that, it actually opens the class list. As you can see, the class list is blank. There's no learners added to the class list. And I must also add to you that the whole process of a class list has to do with two things. It's not only to create a class list for you to mark the register, it also creates the kids' timetables. Every learner who's not added to a particular class will not see the class on their timetable. So the way the timetables for learners are created, it's through a class list. So to add learners, you just click on Add Learners, and the list of learners in the entire school will appear. Then you can search for the learners that you want to add. And the best way to search, if you're using a laptop, which is generally what maybe everybody's using, you Control F. When you click Control F, then you type the surname of that particular learner you need. You can just say MOD, say SE, so you can find any surname that has Modise on it. Like you can see there, I found that surname. Then from there, you just click on it. If you can add one or more. You don't actually have to add one by one. So in this case, if I want to add this learner and probably add all of these other learners there are options. For instance, if I want to multi-select on a laptop, you press Control and you hold it, then you left click. Then that makes me select more than one, meaning it doesn't just select the first learner. So if I want to add another one, I obviously do that. I press Control and I click, and I can just all the time, and you can also search. Say I'm searching for someone else and I'm going to find, say, PETR, just finding someone with the PTE. Then I just want to select Peter, for instance, because when you search, you can search by name or surname. You don't necessarily have to search by surname all the time, but surname is better because it's quick to find. So I want to select that learner. You don't forget, you press Control and you hold it, then you left click. All those learners that you selected before are still selected. Then when you save, you just browse down like that, and you click the button Save. Then when you finish clicking Save, that it will show as if the learners are not loaded. Don't worry, there's a reload button right next to the Add Learners. You just click the reload button and the learners are in your class. There, I just added 5 learners. So that's the whole process of adding learners to a timetable. Thank you.